The frantic cry, "Stop that cat!" serves as a perfect literal throwback to the origins of a famous idiom. The phrase, "letting the cat out of the bag," is widely believed to date back to medieval markets, where livestock vendors would sell valuable piglets to customers, placing them in a sack or poke for easy transport. However, deceitful merchants would sometimes attempt to cheat the buyer by secretly swapping the expensive piglet for a relatively worthless stray cat. If a suspicious buyer opened the sack to check their purchase before leaving, the feline would leap out, literally letting the cat out of the bag, and the merchant's hidden scam would be instantly revealed. Today, the phrase has lost its association with medieval market scams and is instead used in everyday conversation to describe the act of accidentally or carelessly revealing a secret. For instance, when someone leans in with a guilty confession to admit, "I think I just ruined the big surprise," they are perfectly demonstrating what it means to let the cat out of the bag. Whether it is leaking confidential news, sharing private information, or spoiling hidden plans, the phrase captures the moment a secret escapes and cannot be put back